Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel KavuCreative. Today I will creating stunning geometric designs in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start double-clicks on the artboard tool. In the tool menu, check mark on show center mark. In display section, then press OK. Make fill off. Select polygon tool from the tool menu. Hold the Alt key and left-click on the center of the artboard. Right radius as 50 pixels and right sides as 6. Press OK. Hold Shift plus Alt keys and make its copy to upper side. Select Pen tool and make line in center of polygon. Again, make line in bottom of polygon. Now, select top polygon and select Shape Builder tool from the tool menu. Swap stroke to fill. Make shapes, as I do. Change color from color palettes. Delete center polygon. Select all and select Rotate tool from the tool menu. Hold Alt key and rotate it 60 degrees. Press Copy button. Press Ctrl plus D 4 times. Select all and go to Object menu. Click on Expand. Press OK. Now go to Pathfinder panel and click on Divide. Select Magic Wand tool from tool menu. Select black color and press Delete key. Now it looks beautiful. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comments section. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks again.